Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed, and today I have a bunch of friends with me today. So everybody call themselves out.
It's Catherine, Isabella, Brandon.
All right, and we are doing slime today. It's slime day. We are using our white school glue from Supertite. This stuff is amazing because it has a lot less chemicals than a lot of the other glues that are out there, which means that it is even more safe for your kids to be playing with slime. So we're going to use our big container today, and what we are starting with is we're going to start with a big batch, and then we're going to split it up so everybody can pick their own color to make their own fluffy slime. Basic stuff that you need is your white glue, and we're going to do about a cup of the white glue. So this is a half cup measuring, which basically means almost the entire bottle. Here we go.
It's going to be in there.
Is it going to be pretty cool? All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and quickly measure out. I think it's pretty much the whole thing. I did bring out a little container in case we needed more, but let's get this entire thing going. Oh, sounds awful, doesn't it?
Yeah. It smells. I can even see it.
There we
go.
go.
Smell it. That's cool though.
Look at that.
Smell it.
All right, somebody want to hold this upside down just to get the last
I
little
will.
bits of. All right, Isabella, do you want to hold this to keep it upside down to keep it going? All right, I think we're good. We got as much as we need out. We got about our 1 cup, and now we're going to add 1 cup of our shaving cream. Yeah, this just came from the Dollar Tree. No big deal. There we go, getting it all in there.
It's like a shaving cream world.
Shaving cream world. Now all we're going to do is we are going to mix this up to get it all incorporated, get that shaving cream, get that glue. And this is obviously going to be a fluffy slime.
Yay!
So now that we got this all mixed together, all right, we are going to take our borax solution. And all this is 2 teaspoons for 1 cup of water. So we're going to start off with just a very, very small amount, and to the point where it is going to come together. So you can keep on kind of adding it until it just comes together. I probably didn't add enough yet. So at this point, you just kind of keep adding it, but I'm going to speed this part up because it's just mixing, 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 and adding the borax solution here. It's your activator until it comes together. And the more you need it and the more you get it going, the less sticky it's going to feel. But this takes a little bit of time and a little bit of work. You know your slime is good and you've worked it to the point where you can hold it and it's not sticking in your hands. And how you can get it to that point is just by kneading it and just really kind of working it. So that's what the kids are doing right now. Brendan, you want to hold yours?
Yeah.
So they're working on theirs. This one is not quite there. It's kind of there. So what I do is I keep kneading it, and then you can also take your contact solution or the borax solution, whatever your activator. You're going to dip a little section, or you can even dip your fingers in. And you use that to kind of help knead it to that point. Be very careful. You do not want it when it gets really liquidy. You do not want to get it to the point where it's touching your clothes.
Jiggly.
It won't come off. I already figured that out on my pants. So as you can tell, it's still kind of sticky. This one might need a little bit more. And so I'm just kind of dipping and adding a tiny, tiny bit more and then kneading it really, really well. And this is the fun part, right, guys?
Yeah.
All right. So you could totally leave your slime just like this, or you could add some fun stuff. So that's what we have the bowls for. All right. So everybody put their slime in their bowl. All right. So at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to add some food coloring, and everybody's going to pick their own colors. And we have spoons so we don't get our hands completely stained, just to get it started, and then they'll go back and they'll knead it some more. So we're going to speed up who gets what colors, but basically just you can mix and match and have a blast. And so here we go. We're going to add some color. All right, so look at that. Look at all the fun colors. So we did, well, so you mixed blue and yellow and you got green. I did the blue and a little bit of green, and I got a different color green. We didn't get any blue. We got some red and blue, and we got purple. That's a really pretty color, purple. And Catherine,
I got a lot of red and it made it like a tealish color.
Look at that. And look how this stuff is good. If it starts kind of sticking, just keep on moving it around. It'll get unsticky, but that's kind of the part of slime. It's awesome stuff. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
You got some cool slime.
Oh, yeah.
Supply links are going to be down below where you guys can find how to get all these fun products, especially the Supertite glue, super safe glue for kids, especially for slime making. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for further notifications for fun other kids crafts and other arts and crafts projects that I make. And we will see you guys again soon. Everyone say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.